Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, so this is Sir Shafat Khan on your screen, and today we are going to solve question number 2. Okay, let's start. Right, so question number 2, the topic name is the same, differentiation. Okay, so let's do this. Find the differentials of this expression that is given over here. Y equals 2 over 3x cubed minus 7 over x squared minus 4x plus 5. Alright, so let's solve this. Okay, so to find out the differentials, all you need to do is just use the basic product rule. So 3 times 2 over 3 is simply going to be 2 into x, and then from the power just subtract 1, so it's going to be left with 2, minus, do the same over here, this power will multiply this number, so it's going to become just 7 into x minus 4x, 4 will be left once the power is subtracted. Now once you have this differential, that's the simplest form. Part B says, hence find the range of values of x for which y is decreasing. Okay, so decreasing y in the range of values of x. So whenever you are asked to calculate a range of values, so range of values would mean that it's not just one value. You have to give your answer, either you have to give more than one values of x, or you have to give it in the form of an inequality. So over here, let's do it in the form of inequality. Now we know that y is decreasing, and if y is decreasing, then that means the gradient, it has to be negative, right? If y is decreasing, the gradient becomes negative. If the curve is decreasing, curve is going down, the gradient has to become less than 0, right? Now this gradient, this is the dy by dx is the gradient, it's going to become less than 0. So 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 is going to become less than 0. Now we can simplify this. Something, just use the breakage of the middle term. So 2x plus 1, x minus 4 is less than 0. Now how do you simplify an inequality? To simplify the inequality, what you need to do is, now first find out the critical values of x, because critical values generally have a mark. It's better to write them down, not to take any chances. For this bracket, it's going to become negative 1 over 2, and for the other bracket, it's going to become 4. So inequalities, for inequalities, whenever you have a negative answer, you just shift the sign of the inequality, meaning if this is less than 0, so x is going to become greater than negative half, right? Greater, I just flipped the shape of the inequality, right? Over here it was less than, I made it greater. Okay, for the negative numbers it's going to be greater, and for the positive numbers it's going to be the same. So x is less than 4 and greater than negative half, so that means x is in between them, right? So x is in between negative half and 4. So this is the range of values of x for which the gradient is negative. Okay, if y is decreasing, and this is a cubic curve, right? So it has to be something like this. If it's decreasing, it has to be this part, right? So that's it for this question. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much.